Hey guys, I just want to share a quick tip today. This is one of those things that everyone probably already knows, and I'm just late to the party. But I have two German Shepherds, and it's like their job to shed. Their hair gets everywhere, and that includes on my masking tape for models. And this works for duct tape, packing tape, whatever. If you get dust, dirt, whatever, all you have to do if you don't want to, spend your time plucking it with tweezers or just throwing it away, just take a section of tape. If I can find the end. All right, dirty tape. Pat the sides. Clean tape. Thanks, guys.